Righto, so first we'll do the spark plug, which is just one little screw in the top here. The whole cover will just lift off. Spark plug cap will come off. Grab your 5/8 socket. Take the old spark plug out. We've got our new CMR 5H spark plug here. And we'll throw that one straight in. Pop your spark plug cap back on. Right, that's it. Okay, we'll now pop the cover back on. Before we do that, there's a little kill wire here that goes to the ignition coil. Just make sure that's in its place. There's a little channel that it sits in, and the cover just hits over the top of that. It just sits down. Covers back on. If you do gap your spark plugs, these ones are 0.6mm or 0.025 inch. Righto, let's do the engine oil. So just remove your dipstick. And you can just grab a container and just literally tip the engine oil straight out into the container. I've got a little sucker here which will just suck it straight out. Okay, now we'll fill it back up with engine oil. Just use a Honda 10W30 Power Equipment 4-stroke engine oil. They don't hold much, only about 100ml, so just make sure you do it on a nice flat surface. And just till the oil comes up to the top thread. And that is full. That's the oil done. Righto, next we'll do the air filter and the fuel filter. Righto, so let's grab our air filter. First we take off the air filter cover, just pinching the 2 bits of plastic at the top. And that just pushes out. Old air filter out. Let's get a nice clean up on the inside. And on the inside of the air filter cover, clean up all the old oil. Okay, pop the new air filter in. These ones are pre-oiled out of the pack. Pop the air filter cover back on. A couple little tabs at the bottom here. Just holds on there. Pushes up and in. Okay, next we'll do the little fuel filter. Little hook like this. Comes in very handy. New little fuel filter out. Just grab the little black bit of plastic off it. Undo your fuel cap. Hook out the fuel line. And just twist that old filter off. Pop the new one on. Just push that back in. It's as easy as that. At this stage too, it's a good idea to give the tank a bit of a flush out if you notice some debris in the bottom of it. So just tip your fuel out into a bucket, get some fresh fuel, swirl it around and tip it back out again. It's that easy. Your GX35 engine is now serviced